Hi there, this is Text Information and Media Part 2. If you haven't watched the Part 1, there is a link in the description box. Once again, I'm Marylie and I'm a licensed professional teacher. And please excuse my voice again because I'm still recovering from cold and runny nose. But I'm okay now, so let's get started. In Part 1, we have already discussed the different types of text and typeface. Let's continue now with file format. File format is a standard way to store and encode information so that different computers or devices can read it. We have four types of file format. We have document, image, video, and audio. And when we talk about file formats, it is important to keep in mind that compatibility is important. For example, you cannot open an audio or video file in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, and you cannot open a PDF file in an audio software. This is how the file format icons look like. And as you can see, there is a wide variety of file formats. Let's talk about the most common of them. Here are the most common document file formats where you can create files like resume, forms, and email announcements. The document file formats. So we have .txt or the standard text file. It contains plain text and is considered as the most basic type of document you can create to write notes. And then we have .docs or the Microsoft Word, which is the default file format for Microsoft documents. And then we have .xls or .xlsx or the Microsoft Excel worksheet. This is mainly used to create graphing data, spreadsheet files, databases, and financial analysis. And then the .pdf or the Adobe's portable document format. This is a format developed by Adobe that preserves the formatting of a document. And then we have .html or the hypertext markup language. This is the most common type of file format on the internet. This is most commonly used by web developers, encoders, and other website professionals to create and structure web pages. These are the most common document file formats. And then we have the image file formats. We have .jpeg or the Joint Photographic Experts Group. This is the most common image file type on the internet, and this is a compressed image file produced by digital photography. And then .png or the portable network graphics. This is commonly used in photography or logo because the images that these are the images that do not lose quality when compressed. And then we have the .gif or the graphics interchange format. So these image files support animation and transparency. And then we have .svg or the scalable vector graphics, vector image format that describes two-dimensional image. They can be scaled to any size without losing quality. And the last one is .eps or encapsulated postscript, vector file format created by Adobe that can contain text and graphics. These are the most common image file format. The next is the video file. We have .mp4 or MPEG-4 part 14. This is the most common video file format that can be easily played on most media players, browsers, computers, and mobile devices. We have .mov or QuickTime Movie, created by Apple, a large-sized file that is ideally for movies and promotional videos. .avi or Audio Video Interleave, suited for older devices and operating systems or OS. We have .wmv or Windows Media Video. This is a great video slideshow format that is not widely used anymore. And then we have .flv or the Flash Video format. It delivers video over the internet using Adobe Flash Player. These are the most common video file formats. And then the last one, we have the audio file formats. We have three. We have .m4a or the MPEG for audio. It stores audio data and is popular among iTunes users because it uses less disk space while still maintaining good sound quality. However, it may not work well with every computer system. And then the most popular audio file is a .mp3 or the MPEG Layer Audio 3. This is the most popular audio file format that can be played on different media players, computer systems, and mobile devices. And the last one is .wav or WAV or the waveform audio file. This is uncompressed audio format with large file size. It is mostly used in professional settings such as recording studios and movies. So these are the most common audio file formats. That's it. We will end the part 2 here. I hope you learned something from this video and you can always rewatch it for review. And it would be great if you click the subscribe and the like button because it would mean that I'm doing something useful to my audience. And you can also watch the other videos about media and information literacy. Thank you very much, everyone. There will be part 3 and we will be discussing the last subtopic, which is the design principles and elements. Thank you for watching. This is Media and Information Literacy for Senior High School.